Hey guys, it's Ryan Walters here with Jim Glover Dodge in Owasso, Oklahoma. I've got this little Jim here, 1997 Ford F-150, only 70,000 miles on it. Got a toolbox on it, got some good tires, got the receiver hitch, it's got the bed liner in it, free NOS can too. Bad boy is in immaculate condition. It's gonna be a cash buy, so if you got anybody that you know that needs a good little truck that's gonna be reliable, see 74,976 on it. It's in immaculate condition. I'm gonna have the back seat too. If you know anybody, my number is 479-650-5077. Once again, my name is Ryan Walters. Thank you guys. Y'all have a great day.